World Suicide Prevention Day. It is observed on the 10th of September 2024. The theme for the years is the triennial theme for World Suicide Prevention Day, that is from 2024 to 2026, is changing the narrative on suicide with a call to action, start the conversation. World Suicide Prevention Day is a day dedicated to increasing global awareness that suicide is preventable and to encourage open conversation about mental health. It is observed annually on September 10th. The history of World Suicide Prevention Day. The first World Suicide Prevention Day was launched in Stockholm on September 10th, 2003 as an initiative by the International Association for Suicide Prevention and the World Health Organization. It was established to draw attention to the global issues of suicide and to reinforce the important message that suicides are preventable. This day serves as an international platform to raise awareness, reduce stigma, and emphasize to government organizations and the public that suicide prevention is possible. Why organize World Suicide Prevention Day? The event is organized each year by the International Association for Suicide Prevention in collaboration with the World Health Organization, and it takes place on September 10. So it is once again to give the message that suicide can be prevented. So what is the significance? The significance of the day. Suicide is a significant public health crisis with over 7 lakh deaths worldwide each year. Each suicide leaves behind profound social, emotional, and economic impact, affecting individuals, families, and communities globally. World Suicide Prevention Day highlights the importance of mental health awareness, early intervention, and support for those struggling with suicidal thoughts. It serves as a reminder and to start conversations. One can help prevent suicides and provide the necessary support for those in need. The theme for the year 2024. The triennial theme for World Suicide Prevention Day, that is from 2024 to 2026, is changing the narrative on suicides with the call to action, start the conversation. This emphasizes the importance of reducing stigma and fostering open dialogue about suicide. The purpose of the theme. The 2024 theme for World Suicide Prevention Day seeks to change perception from silence and stigma to understanding and support, urging everyone to contribute to a more compassionate and informed approach to mental health. The call to action, that is start the conversation, encourages individuals to start conversations about suicide and suicide prevention and to speak openly about their mental health, seeking help without fear of judgment or shame. Policy and advocacy. The 2024 theme for World Suicide Prevention Day also highlights the need to prioritize suicide prevention and mental health in policy making. Governments are urged to implement policies that improve access to mental health care, provide support for those in need, and create environment where seeking help is normalized and encouraged. The tips for managing suicidal thought. First is to reach out for support. Second, to avoid access to harmful items. And third, to stay away from alcohol. Fourth, to stay in a safe environment. And 5, to focus on relaxation. First of all, reach out for support. People struggling with suicidal thought are advised to seek emotional support from others. It is suggested that talking to loved ones can help navigate the crisis, as they can listen, guide, and provide valuable assistance. Second, to avoid access to harmful items. Individuals are also encouraged to avoid access to harmful items such as weapons, medicines, chemicals, or anything that could be used for self-harm. It is recommended to ask family members or friends to help keep these items out of reach. Thirdly, it is to stay away from alcohol. Avoiding alcohol is also advised, as it can exacerbate negative emotions and worsen one's state of mind. Fourth is to stay in a safe environment. Staying in a safe and supportive environment such as friends, home, a library, or a comforting public space is suggested to help manage these thoughts. The fifth point is to focus on relaxation. So lastly, we can prioritize relaxation because it is important. In times of difficulty, this is really helpful. Encouraging in calming activities like listening to music, eating a good meal, or watching videos of animals or things that bring joy can be beneficial.